To use the split screen feature on Windows 10, follow these steps. Step number 1. Open the application you want to use in split screen mode. For example, if you want to split the screen between two applications, open both of them. Number 2. Click and hold the title bar of the first application you want to use in split screen mode. Number 3. Drag the application's window to the left or right side of the screen until you see an outline or a thumbnail preview of the window. Number 4. Release the mouse button to dock the application to that side of the screen. Number 5. The screen will now show the open application on one side, leaving the other side blank. Number 6. To open the second application in the other half of the screen, either open the Start menu or the taskbar and click on the second application's icon. Use the keyboard shortcut Windows key plus number key corresponding to the position of the application on the taskbar. For example, if the second application is the third icon on the taskbar, you can use Windows key plus 3. Number 7. The second application will open in the remaining space on the screen, creating a split screen view. Number 8. Adjust the size of the split screen by clicking and dragging the vertical separator line between the two applications. You can move it towards the center to give more space to either application. Number 9. To exit split screen mode, click and drag the separator line all the way to the edge of the screen. Or click the maximize button, the square icon in the title bar of either application to return it to full screen mode. Using the split screen feature allows you to work with two applications side by side, making it convenient for multitasking and comparing information.